Good morning, children. This is a term book, page number 1616. This is the second lesson of your English. That is, Bukka learns a lesson. Bukka learns a lesson. Okay. We completed reading part till here. Okay. Now, we are going to read from here. Bukka jumps. B-U-K-K-A. Bukka jumps. J-U-M-P-S. Jumps. Bukka jumps up and searches. S-E-A-R-C-H-E-S. Searches near the pool. Bukka jumps and searches near the pool. No. There. T-H-E-R-E. There. I-S is N-O. No. No. There is no sign of the elephant herd. S-I-G-N sign. O-F of T-H-E the E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. H-E-R-D. Herd. No. There is no sign of the elephant herd. Please children, repeat along with me. He lifts. L-I-F-T-S. Lifts. He lifts his trunk. T-R-U-N-K. Trunk to catch, C-A-T-C-H, catch the smells, S-M-E-L-L-S, smells, floating, F-L-O-A-T-I-N-G, floating in the breeze, B-R-E-E-Z-E, breeze. Please children, repeat along with me. He lifts his trunk to catch the smells floating in the breeze. No luck there. L-U-C-K, luck, T-H-E-R-E, there. No luck there. Bukka feels, F-E-E-L-S. Bukka feels frightened, F-R-I-G-H-T-E-N. F-R-I-G-H-T-E-N-E-D. Frightened. He starts crying. He starts, S-T-A-R-T-S, starts crying, C-R-Y-I-N-G, crying. He starts crying. Bukka feels frightened. Bukka feels frightened. He starts crying. What will happen now? H-A-P-P-E-N, happen. What will happen now? Where will he find his, where, W-H-E-R-E, where will he find, F-I-N-D, find, H-I-S, his. Where will he find his parents, P-A-R-E-N-T-S, parents, in such, S-U-C-H, such a huge, H-U-G-E, huge and dense forest, D-E-N-S-E, dense means thick. Okay, dense forest. How will he find his parents in such a huge and dense forest? Okay, children. Once again, repeat along with me. Bukka jumps up and searches near the pool. Bukka jumps up and searches near the pool. S-E-A-R-C-H-E-S, searches. Bukka jumps and searches near the pool. No, there is no sign of the elephant herd. Repeat children. No, there is no sign of the elephant herd. He lifts his trunk to catch the smells floating in the breeze. He lifts his trunk to catch the smells floating in the breeze. No luck there. Bukka feels frightened. Bukka feels frightened. He starts crying. He starts crying. What will happen now? Please children, repeat along with me. What will happen now? Where will he find his parents in such a huge and dense forest? Next one, poor, P-O-O-R, poor. Bukka, B-U-K-K-A, Bukka turns, T-U-R-N-S, turns to the birds. Poor Bukka turns to the birds. Animals, A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals and insects, I-N-S-E-T-S, insects in the forest. F-O-R-E-S-T, forest, in the forest. For F-O-R for H-E-L-P, help. But, B-U-T, but, they, T-H-E-Y, they, A-L-L-R, T-U-R-N, turn, A-W-A-Y, away. Poor Bukka, please children repeat along with me. Poor Bukka turns to the birds, animals and insects in the forest for help. But they all turn away. But they all turn away. The squirrels, T-H-E, the S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L-S, squirrel says, S-A-Y-S says. The squirrel says, have you forgotten? H-A-V-E, have, Y-O-U-U. Have you forgotten? F-O-R-G-O-T-T-N, forgotten. Have you forgotten? How you shook? S-H-O-O-K, shook. Shook means to move backward and forward. Okay, in the quick short movements. Okay. Have you forgotten how you shook the branches and made hers fall? B-R-A-N-C-H-E-S, branches, A-N-D-N, M-A-D-G, made, U-S-S, F-A-L-L, fall. S-H-O-O-K, shook. S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L, squirrel. The squirrel says, please children repeat along with me. The squirrel says, have you forgotten how you shook the branches and made hers fall? The rabbit, T-H-E, the R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. The rabbit mother, M-O-T-H-E, mother, says, S-A-Y-S says. The rabbit mother says, don't you remember? D-O-N-T, don't, apostrophe S. Don't you, Y-O-U. Don't you remember? R-E-M-E-M-B-E-R, remember. R-E-M-E-M-B-E-R, remember. Don't you remember how you poured water down our hole? Don't you remember how you poured, P-O-U-R-E-D, poured, P-O-U-R-E-D, poured water, W-A-T-E-R, water, D-O-W-N, down, D-O-W-N, down, O-U-R, our, H-O-L-E, hole. V, W-E-V, nearly, N-E-A-R-L-Y, nearly, D-I-E-D, died. Okay, once again repeat children. The rabbit mother says, don't you remember how you poured water down our hole? How you poured water down our hole? We nearly died. We nearly, N-E-A-R-L-Y, nearly, D-I-E-D, died. We nearly died. Now, see how it feels. Now, N-O-W, now, S-E-E-C, H-O-W, how, I-T, it, F-E-E-L-S, feels, S-C-R-V-E-S, serves, you, right, R-A-G-H-T, right. Now, see how it feels. Serves, you, right. S-C-R-V-E-S, serves, you, R-A-G-H-T, right. Serves, you, right. The butterflies too refused to help him. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-I-E-S, butterflies. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-I-E-S, butterflies. The butterflies too, T-O-2, refuse, R-E-F-U-S-E, refuse to help him. The butterflies too refuse to help him. Bukka starts crying. S-T-A-R-T-S-C-R-Y-I-N-G, crying. Bukka starts crying. And then he falls asleep. And then he falls, F-A-L-L-S, falls asleep, A-S-L-E-P, asleep, crying, C-R-Y-I-N-G, crying, beside, B-E-S-I-D-E, beside the pool. Bukka starts crying. And then he falls asleep crying beside the pool. Next day, when he wakes up, wakes, wakes up. Next day, when he wakes up, please children repeat along with me. He finds himself, H-I-M-S-E-L-F, himself, F-I-N-D-S, finds. He finds himself sleeping, S-L-E-E-P-I-N-G, sleeping right in the middle of his herd. He finds himself sleeping right in the middle of his herd. M-I-D-D-L-E, middle of H-A-S, his, H-E-R-D, herd. Next to his